I'm back with another McCain cooking challenge. You must pay firm attention because basically there's an air fryer, a Philips air fryer, actually up for grabs, and I would kill for one of those, but I'm not going to win it, you are. So, pay attention. Now, the thing about Friday nights is I very often open bag upon bag of crisps and the odd dip, and we all get on with it. So, why not reframe it and do oven chips on a Friday night? They're much healthier. They certainly fill everyone up. You won't have the kids clamoring around. You might save your hips just slightly. You can make some sexy dips, and voila. So, I'm going to show you mine, and then you can show me yours. We're going to start with a lovely smoky tomato dip. So I've got some beautiful onions in here. They've been fried for quite a while in oil. Just some olive oil. They're lovely and brown. Mark, come look here, darling. They look fab. And goes the garlic and tomato paste. Smoked paprika. Can of tomatoes. Pinch of sugar. Salt. Some pepper. Now this should take about sort of 10 minutes or so. It's not very long. 10 minutes is going to give us enough time to kind of bake the oven chips. So now I've got oven chips because I'm trying to save my hips from disrepair. There's a Steakhouse Cut, which I think looks like, yeah, my dreadful scissors. Oh, they're working better today. So, oh, these are like sort of thick and marvellous. Look at the, oh, wow. Okay, that's a sexy chip. Now you want a single layer. Don't pile them up because then you'll never get a crispy chip. Okay, then we've got, these are the Crinkle cut ones. They all take about 10 to 12 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. And these are Steakhouse Cut, but with salt and pepper. Right, into the oven. Now, in case actually cooking a tomato sauce is a bit too much, you could just use sort of ordinary old stuff out the bottle. And you could also try a mayo one. So I've got some creamy mayo here. You can use just sort of thick yogurt if you prefer. So creamy mayo and tangy mayo. And I've got lots of chopped fresh garlic, about sort of 2 or 3 cloves. Then I've got some chopped parsley. And then lovely lemon. Just zest that. Now if you don't have a microplane, then I've also got a zester. You could use one of those, up to you. Some salt and some pepper. And then basically give it a stir. I've got a bit of a plate. Just decant it into bowls. You know, presentation is everything. Oh, it's delicious. And then I've got the tomato sauce. So this is quite sort of smoky from the smoked paprika, kind of like, you could always add some chipotle flakes if you want. It's like chili and smokiness. I always make too much sauce and too many chips. They'll go, I assure you. But this is a challenge. So, my challenge to you is how are you going to funk up your oven chips? Dying to see, just don't forget, you've got to hashtag things. So, hashtag just cook McCain, hashtag made with McCain, hashtag McCain oven chips. Right, let's check on the chips. Yum! Tell you what, this is an effortless chip affair. Those over there. Oh, divine. Right, so, got the whole steakhouse vibe. They're very crispy, I must say. Crinkle cut. Flynn will like these. Actually, Flynn's mad about chips, so he'll be delighted at this. Good. And then we've got the salt and pepper ones, those for me. So you get the gist. You can make a huge platter, a tiny platter, and even make a platter for one. Whichever way you look at it, Family Fridays are sorted.